What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about introducing a new playlist that I'm building for you guys. And it's all about Active Directory privilege escalation walkthrough. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is the introduction of this new playlist that I'm building out for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I don't know how many parts, but so far I have about 5 or so that I'm building out or creating. So today is the introduction. We're going to be going over the lab setup. And so far I have 2 machines. One machine is my Kali. Yes, we're going to be using that. And this is the IP address that I'm going to be using throughout the, series. The breach account, we are assuming that we already have an account. We already have an account that's breached. We have their password. We have all that information. We know the domain. We know the username. We know their password. Yes, this is a weak password. Shame on this person. And the target. Now the target, again, Active Directory. We're trying to get access to the domain controller, right? So this is the domain controller. I built the Windows Server 2025. Again, this is the IP address of this DC. And this is the Kali. If I open up terminal and I do a ifconfig, this is the IP address. And if I also do a fast fetch, this is the particular OS and the version that I'm running within the lab. Now, the assignment for the playlist. We are going to establish a foothold on the target. Yes. And we're going to try to own the internal Active Directory domain by getting a shell to the domain controller server. Yes, this is pretty exciting. Again, this is the introduction to introduce this stuff to you guys. And then on the next video, we're going to start. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this intro, and I catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.